Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a review on the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. When I saw this was going to be released, I had to snag it because of the price. It's only $65. I know that's a lot for some people, but when it comes to Natasha Denona, everything is so expensive. So I had to get my hands on it once it released, so I did, and I don't regret it. This is the eye look I created. It's kind of like a plummy sunrise look. I don't know how to explain it. It's just, it's a look. So yeah, I did include swatches at the end of this video, so if you guys want to see those as well, just wait till the end. Also, I will show you guys how to create this look. I did throw on some eyeliner in the waterline and on the upper waterline. In case you guys were wondering, I did not include that. And yeah, so there is something wrong with my foundation. Yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching and enjoy. Alrighty, I'm gonna get started with this beauty. So obviously this is what the palette looks like. I have used this once and the look came out really pretty, so I think today I want to try something a little bit different. I don't know what look I'm gonna go for. I'm just gonna wing it as usual. The first thing I'm gonna take a fluffy crease brush, and I'm gonna dip into the shade Morgan, is one of my best friend's names, and I'm gonna put that in my crease kind of high to create a transition shade. Sorry if my brows are out of whack. I cannot help that. As much as I try to shape them and trim them, they don't want to cooperate. Next thing I'm gonna do is grab the shade Clove, which is this one right here, like a deep kind of berry shade, and I'm gonna take a brush like this. I need to clean my brushes, and I'm gonna put this kind of lower like that. I'm gonna try blend that out. I need like a thin like pencil brush for this look. I'm sort of gonna try to create a halo eye, I think. I'm gonna take the shade Morgan and just try to blend this out. I'm just gonna kind of tap my way and then I'll blend. Probably just gonna focus on this eye and then do this eye off camera. Then I'm gonna take the shade Glory, which is this pink shade. I'm gonna put that slightly above that shade. I know in the middle I want to pop that mustard shade and then a gold on top, like a shimmer shade. I don't know. These shadows though, they're so pigmented. Okay, now I'm gonna take like a fluffy packing brush. I need a thinner one, maybe like this, or should I do this one? I'm gonna do this one, my Anastasia one, and I'm gonna take the shade Carnelian, I think that's how you say it, which is this mustard shade, and I'm gonna pop that where the empty spot is. I think I saw this look on Natasha Denona's Instagram, that's why I'm trying to recreate it. I think it looks pretty cool. Kind of like that. I'm gonna kind of intense that plummy shade. And I'm gonna grab the shade Morning, which is this one, and I'm gonna kind of blend around those edges. Is that blended enough? I don't know. I'm not a makeup artist, so don't come for me. I'm just trying something new. Alright, then I'm going to take the shade Clove and Glory and I'm going to drag that under my lash line. Then I'm going to drag that mustard shade Carnelian underneath. And I'm going to take the shade Laurel, which is this shimmer shade right here, and I'm going to pop that on my inner corners. I feel like that's not really bright enough, so I'm going to take Agate, I think that's how you say it, and pop that right there. And like that, that is basically the finished look. I'm going to finish this eye off camera and I will be right back. So this is the finished look. For the lip, I chose the shade Slow Down from ColourPop and Shayla. So this is like a perfect nude for a bold kind of look. This is what the eyes look like. Kind of got inspired by one of the posts that she had at one point. I think this is what it looked like. I didn't see it since like 2 days ago. Palette actually blended pretty nicely. This was $65. Usually her palettes retail for like $129, but this is a smaller palette, which I actually prefer because it's easier to travel with and just to... I don't like huge palettes, that's just my opinion, and I really like the shades that are in it. It's definitely like, not only is it summery vibes, but it's also giving me fall vibes, so I'll definitely use this during fall as well. So the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette is a def must buy. So yeah, that completes this entire video. I will include swatches at the end of this video just so some of you can see how they swatch. I know a lot of people actually like to see the swatches. I don't, but I know a lot of people were complaining at one point that I didn't do swatches at one, like for some eyeshadow palette. I don't remember what it was, but I didn't do it and they got mad. So this is for you. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.